We're loading up. We're going down there. We're going 3/4 to the top. 3/4. Are you scared?
No. Nope.
You're not scared? We're not sure because we usually, if we go all the way to the top, we have to hit the brakes before we hit that wall by where we parked. So with these 3 people, we're doing it this way. So camera's rolling. Get my gloves on because they're the best brakes. You guys, stuck in my pocket. Okay, load up. This is hard. This is gonna be very hard. I can't even hold on to you. Okay, move forward. I can't hold on.
Hold it.
Here, hold this. I can't hold. Can you stick your feet out? I guess we're going. Got a ton of snow in my face.
I can't get up.
Oh, that's a lot of snow. I don't know what happened.
I could say it. I was blind. You took off my hat.
Yeah, I knocked it off with the thing. All right, we'll probably just go to the top this time. But we're about 15 yards from the wall. This is scary. We're going right at the truck. Woo! That was cold. That was cold, bro. Woo!
Where are we?
Oh, man, my face is cold. Oh.
I put my hat on. My face.
Oh man, that was cold.
I know.
Oh.
My face was covered.
Woo. That was cold.
I know.
Whoa, we hit a rock already. Oh, my back is cold. Oh, my forehead is so cold. Oh man. Whew.
I got you.
Oh man, that's so cold, bro.
Go as far.
Oh, I know.
Do this one first and then do that, but we're going.
I think we're going. Ah. Oh.
I can't see.
Putting the brakes on. Oh, I can't see anything.
I can't either. You're covered.
Oh,
Your face got more covered than mine. Yeah, because you're in the middle. How do you get more snow?
oh, I don't know what happened. Oh, the snow just aimed right at me. And you. I don't know, man. I couldn't see the whole time. I put down the brakes because I didn't know where we were at. I knocked off my lens because I pulled the glasses off because I couldn't see. I was like,
You said brake, but then I braked. I thought we were gonna do this like I put my scarf up, but I couldn't see me.
dude, the snow is too loose. Where? I gotta recover my lens. I don't know where that thing's. I actually don't think we'll ever find it until next year. Oh well, signing out.